Question number 30, mental ability. So first, I'm doing it by the both methods, but first I will do it by the drawing. First, I will draw the upside down triangle. Then I will draw the cut I will draw it outside for my reference. Then I will adjust that cut in the figure. Now I will see. In the last figure we can see that the arrow shows like this, so we need to reverse it, unfold it. So this cut, when we open this, we will get this cut over here. In the next figure we can see that this is folded over here, so we will unfold it over here. Now this cut will come over here. The last, or I should say the first figure, shows that this arrow is up here, so let's unfold it, which will go down. This figure, if we cut it down, so it will be like this. So the full answer will be like this. Which we can see in option number C. Now let's do it practically with a piece of paper. First we will fold it up like this. Then we will fold it like this from left side to the middle. Now we will fold it from the right side to the middle. And now we will draw the cut. The cut is like this. Now let's cut it. After cutting, let's unfold the figure. The figure is the same like I drawn. So that is why by both methods my answer is coming option number C, which is the correct answer.